He was also called on Make-A-Wish bird because one of their
she's a
our
bird.
members was 13 and he just passed away in November from Duchenne muscular dystrophy and he lost it. So his Make-A-Wish was to meet for
I like
so we drove to Montana.
She's kind of sweet.
24 hours with 3 dogs and the bird and let it be Fritz.
Do you want to hold her?
Fritz just
She's pretty. She's a nervous girl.
It's okay.
Oh.
Oh, look at you. I think she's the one.
Hey, buddy. Where
Oh,
are you going?
you're snuggle.
Where you going, buddy?
Snuggly girl.
You know, what do you think, Jacob?
I think she's sweet.
You guys want to hold her yet?
You want to hold her? You want to hold her? Oh, sweet.
If you guys want to take her up, we got sitting area up front. So you can sit and hold her and be
Thank you.
comfortable, not standing.
Well, it's up to you guys. Do you want to do that?
It's up to you.
I don't know.
It's all
I
right.
think it's pretty clear
I think this is the one.
that she's a little burrow girl.
Hey, hi, sweetie. And of course, there you are, all comfy, cozy on Hannah. Look at look at
Look at her, look at her. Wow.
I like her a lot.
sweetie. I think you're our new. Well, we already have a name. So right?
Yep.
Oh, she's really cute.
You like her?
Yeah. What about you? She's very sweet.
She's a very shy
Sweetie.
girl.
Okay, sweetheart.
Oh, yeah. Oh. And I can take it back if you want.
Yeah.
I like her a
I
lot.
really like her a lot. I feel like this is the
This
one.
is her.
I wasn't sure, but I didn't see her back there. Hi.
Did she say that she's the youngest one?
She's the youngest.
She's a snuggle bug.
She is so.
I love her.
Oh, look at. She's gonna be really. Hello. She has little white on each
Thank you for
little
taping.
cheek. You wanna hold her, Jake?
I love her. I love her.
Oh my God, your fingernails need to be cut.
Yes, I do.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, friend.
Oh,
Hi, sweetie.
you're beautiful.
Hi.
What's happening?
Hey, friend. What you doing?
You're so
Do you like the
pretty.
name Sophie? I know he said Sophia. She kind of looks like a Sophie.
She is a Sophie.
I thought you said Sylvie.
I like you. I like. Oh, sassafras.
Hi, sweetie.
Oh.
She's like, cut those nails. Oh,
A
she's
little
gonna bite
nibbler.
Quack. That's perfect. You wanna bite Quack? Yeah, Quack.
Yes.
You're definitely our bird. You wanna come here, sweetie? You wanna come here? Oh, don't bite me. I'm not trying to touch you. I just wanna hold you.
She is a feisty girl. Oh, there she goes. That's what she does.
Come here.
Ooh.
Hi, friend.
Come here. Don't bite
Ow.
people. Just
I'm
come
not a
on
snack.
over. Come on over. No, it's okay.
Well, your nails are very good for preening, Jacob, so I don't know what else you're supposed to do. You're pretty.
Fritz used to always.
She likes your
I
sweater.
don't think we need to. I think we just.
Oh, I
Look, she likes your
know.
sweater.
It's cozy, isn't it? It's so cozy.
Oh,
I don't want you to
oh.
fall.
What are you gonna? Whoa, 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 whoa.
I can't reach over
You
there.
guys come in the distance.
And we're from Norwood.
Yeah. Did you have an issue problem waiting until Sunday to take her home?
Oh no, we got
Sunday?
more like Christmas, so we're good whenever.
I just want to make sure she's eating seed and stuff good.
Yeah,
on her.
that's
We have
wonderful.
all the
We haven't-
things.
She hasn't taken formula in the last 2 days.
Okay.
So we just want to make sure it's Sandy that I'm working with today will be here Sunday.
Okay. Sandy, I think is who I talked to. We called. I think I called on Monday because
Baby. We might. Oh, I know. It's hard.
like first weekend of November.
It's hard when you gotta nibble.
She passed away, so
my
we ended up
finger.
driving
It's
back
hard.
to Montana. And then she said they wanted to.
Yeah, I know.
So it was
You like to
I
nibble.
this- She's perfect.
You can do that on my nail because that might help your beak, girl.
Yeah. What do you guys think then? I say yes.
Look at her.
You're
And
beautiful.
the fact that she bit at you, Adam, because it says Fritz used to always lovingly do that.
Yeah, fingers are not snacks. We gotta teach you that.
Oh, she's so
She's, can I hold her one more time?
Of course.
Can you hold the
Thank
Where
you.
you going?
phone? Thank you.
Green color.
Where you going?
All right.
Oh, yes, I know. It's a hard knock life.
Oh, here.
There we go. Get all snug. I know. You're so,
Just keeps looking up
look
at you. Oh, she is so perfect. I knew. I'm like, God has the perfect bird already picked out. We'll know when we
That's
get
my
there.
cross necklace, yeah.
And we know.
Oh, you're so funny.
Oh,
This color.
she's gonna. That shows, guys, that she is ours. You're ours, Sophie. That's what we're gonna
Sophie.
name you, Sophie.
What's your last name?
Dahl, Dahl. Oh, you are, Sophie.
Oh. We're gonna have some nice snuggle times. And maybe.
Well, if you guys want to hold her or go sit up there, you're more than welcome to. Hold her as long as you
All
like.
right, thank
You're welcome.
you.
As long as that, okay, door's closed.
Yeah.
Paula, if you need anything,
Yes,
just see Paula.
All right, thank you.
Welcome.
I
Well,
love her. Well, guys.
we have
Let's just sit with her for a minute.
Sophie. You want to go sit with her?
Yeah.
All right, should I stop taping then?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Oh, sorry. I think maybe it was paused already.